Hi guys, I am CyberGeek back with the sixth video of the Python video series. So if you haven't watched the previous videos of this Python video series, make sure you watch them so you get a better understanding. So in this video today I'm going to teach you basically what a Python dictionary is. So basically Python dictionaries are special structures in Python which is used to store information. So the information stored are also called as key value pairs. We can create key value pairs, and when we want to access a piece of information inside a dictionary, so we can refer it by the key. So no, when talking about dictionary, in a normal dictionary there is a word and there will be a meaning associated to that word. And here in Python, the word would be called the key, and the value of the key will be the definition of the word. So you will get confused right now, but this will make more sense once we started working with this. So as I mentioned, in this tutorial we will be creating a program that will convert the 3-digit month name to a full month name. So first we should give it a name and equal and set it to open and close curly brackets. So it's like this. So as you can see, I've typed all the 12 months, and also you have to make sure that all the keys are unique because if there is a duplicate key, it's a no in dictionary. So if you want to access a specific key or a specific value, all you have to do is just print it out on the screen so that we can see it. All I have to do is just refer the dictionary by name. So there are a bunch of different ways that I can access the month names. One way is just first is by making open and close brackets. Say print month conversions. You open and close bracket, and inside here just enter the key you want, and when we run this, it should give us back the value associated with the key. So it should give us January. Let's see. So yeah, it's giving us January. And there's another way. Here, instead of the square brackets, you can use print month conversions dot get and close bracket, and here you can enter the key we just want. So July. If we run this, we should get July, and yeah, we are getting it. And what's cool about this get method is, with the get function, is that I can actually specify a default value that I want to use if this key is not found. So if you enter any invalid keys, so I can specify a default value to show. Let's just see. If we enter the invalid key, it will print as none. So instead of none, I can give it a specific default value to print. So let's try it. Enter valid key, and when we run this, so it prints enter valid key instead of fry. And also here in dictionaries we can use numbers instead of strings. As long as they are unique, numbers are accepted. So that's it about the basics of dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries will come in handy when you work with Python, because dictionaries can save lots of information in Python. Thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel, make sure you subscribe it, like and share the videos.